Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and change your language in your Trust wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. And this is relatively simple, so let's jump straight into the video. First things first, you want to go ahead and open up your application right here, and you may need to enter your own password right here. And then after that, you will then be prompted right through the main menu of the Trust wallet. You could just go ahead and proceed by clicking the gear icon right here at the top left corner of your screen. Inside, you will then be able to see your preferences, security, and notifications. Just go ahead and click on preferences right here. And inside, you will be able to change your own currency, app language, the app browser, and the node settings. Of course, you want to go ahead and click on app language. And inside, you can now go ahead and choose your own language. They have a lot of options that you could go ahead and choose from. So hopefully you'll find your own language right here. And in that way, you will be able to change your language in Trust Wallet. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.